So this is the easiest method I found to make charcoal powder. So I use the soft charcoal with my exacto knife, and I slowly start shaving it very, very lightly. As you can see here, I usually like to use the side of the charcoal stick, and I lightly, gently start shaving it. It is kind of tedious, it does take kind of long, but you save some money. And this is how it looks like. Very nice, very soft. And then I follow by putting it in a container. I just got this container from the dollar store. Very cheap, very inexpensive. And I use paper to guide it inside the container. And then I repeat the process. It is kind of messy. Don't mind the chair that I'm using there. Take care, guys.